everybody, so today I'll be doing an unboxing, and the first thing I'd like to mention in this video is that I have a new background. Super excited. I painted my walls and I will have a blog post to show the transformation of my room, so it's super exciting. I have an awesome feature wall on the other side, so across from me, but I'm loving these stripes. But anyways, we will continue. Today's unboxing will be on a whipping post bag, and I've been looking for this particular bag for quite a while. I was kind of deciding between Madewell or the whipping post, and I thought the whipping post was just the winner, and I love the bag. So let's get started. So this is how I received my bag in this huge box when you open it up. There is this paper that they just packaged it in, just to, you know, kind of give it some padding, I guess, so it wouldn't just move around in the box. But once you take that away, we have the beautiful bag inside. So I'm super excited about this. Now, here is the bag. Oh my gosh, I am loving it, and it has the whipping post just kind of like engraved in there, and inside there is some paper just to keep its form through travel. Now, here is the bag. So there's a little whipping post label on it, and this bag is 13 by 15 inches, so I'm pretty sure, but it can fit a MacBook inside here horizontally, which is awesome because I always carry my MacBook around for school. But if you take a look at it, it has nice gold, rose gold, well I guess it's kind of copper, details on it on both sides, and it's just very plain. I love it. This is real leather, I'm pretty sure, genuine real leather. The bottom, there is some sort of support on the bottom, so if you do lay it flat on the ground, or just like put it down on the ground, it'll stand up vertically, which is awesome. So I don't have to worry about it just completely flopping onto the ground. It does have some form. Now, the leather handles are made out of a different material than the actual bag, which I really like because it gives it just a little bit of a different look and just kind of spices things up. But on the inside, there is just one pocket, if you can see, made out of leather as well, and it's a fairly big pocket. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. It's lined, and I just love it. So this bag was, I think, roughly $175. I think they upped the price, so it's about $190. But this is my first splurge on a bag ever, and I definitely think that it was worth the splurge because this is just a classic bag, and I'll be able to use it for quite a long time, and I'll hopefully like it for a long time. But I love it. It's nice, big, and spacious, and from what I've heard, it's really durable, so I probably will do an update post online of how this bag is holding up and how I'm liking it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.